Good morning, everyone. This is Captain Smith speaking. Welcome aboard Flight 123 to New York. We are currently on the ground and will be taking off shortly. Please fasten your seatbelts. Make sure your seats are upright. The weather in New York is clear and sunny. We will be cruising at an altitude of 35,000 feet. Flight time is about 3 hours and 15 minutes. We will be serving drinks and snacks shortly. Thank you for choosing our airline. Enjoy your flight.
Leo, wake up.
What time is it?
It's 10.
What? No way!
Yes. You're late.
Oh no! I overslept.
Your class starts at 11.
Why did my alarm not go off?
It did. You turned it off.
I don't remember that.
Come on. Get up now.
I'm so tired.
No excuses. Move.
Okay. I'm up.
Brush your teeth quickly.
Where are my clothes?
On the chair.
I can't find my shoes.
They're under the bed.
Oh, thanks.
You have 5 minutes. Hurry!
I'm running. Don't be mad.
Hi, I'd like a ticket to London, please.
Sure. When do you want to travel?
Tomorrow morning, if possible.
We have a 7 a.m. and a 10 a.m. bus. Which one would you like?
7 a.m., please.
That's fine. How many tickets do you need?
Just one, please.
Okay. It's $25.
Here you go.
Thank you. Do you prefer a window or aisle seat?
A window seat, please.
No problem. Would you like a return ticket as well?
Not today, just one way.
Okay, your ticket is ready.
Thank you. What time should I be at the station?
Please arrive at least 20 minutes early.
Got it. Is there a place to wait inside?
Yes.
Perfect. Can I bring my bag on board?
One small bag is free. Big bags go in the luggage area.
Great. Do I need to show ID?
Yes, please. Keep it ready when you board.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Hi.
Hello. How can I help you?
I need to apply for a visa.
Okay. Do you have an appointment?
No, can I make one today?
Let me check. Yes, 2 p.m. is free.
Great. Thank you.
Please fill this form.
Sure. How long does it take?
About 10 minutes.
Okay. Can I submit it here?
Yes, after you finish.
Do I need any documents?
Yes. Passport and photo.
I have them with me.
Perfect. Please wait here.
How long for the visa?
Usually 2 weeks.
Can I track it online?
Yes. We will give you a number.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Anything else?
No, that's all.
Good luck.
Oh no. What happened to your laptop?
I dropped it. And now it won't turn on.
Let me see. The screen is completely dead.
I don't know what to do. I'm really stressed.
Calm down. Maybe it's not that bad.
But all my files are in there.
Did you try charging it?
Yes. Nothing happened.
Maybe the battery or screen is broken.
I can't afford a new laptop.
Don't worry, we'll find a solution.
What if I lose everything?
Your data might still be safe.
Really?
Yes, a technician can check it.
I hope so. I'm scared.
Hey, I'm here with you.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Let's take it to a repair shop tomorrow.
Okay. I feel a little better now.
See? Everything will be okay.
I hope so. Thanks, Emma.
Hi! Do you sell skincare products here?
Hello. Yes, we do. What are you looking for?
I want something for dry skin.
Okay. Do you want a cream or a lotion?
Maybe a cream. Something gentle.
I recommend this one. It's very moisturizing.
How often should I use it?
Twice a day, morning and night.
Is it suitable for sensitive skin?
Yes, it's hypoallergenic and fragrance-free.
Great! How much does it cost?
It's $25.
Can I also get a cleanser for dry skin?
Sure. We have this gentle one.
Does it foam a lot?
No, it's creamy and soft.
Perfect. I'll take both.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't.
All right. Do you want a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go. That will be $45 in total.
Thank you. Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can. Thank you for shopping with us.
This restaurant looks nice.
Yeah, I like the atmosphere. Cozy and quiet.
Should we sit by the window?
Sure, it's a great view outside.
Do you want to look at the menu first?
Yeah, I'm thinking about the steak.
I might try the salmon. It looks fresh.
Good choice. Want an appetizer too?
Maybe a salad. Something light.
Okay, we can share it.
Drinks first?
I'll have water. You?
Lemonade sounds perfect.
So, how was your day?
Pretty good. Busy at work, but not too stressful.
That's good. I had a long meeting today.
I'm glad we can relax here now.
Me too. The food should be ready soon.
Everything smells amazing already.
I love this place. We should come more often.
Definitely. Maybe next time we can try dessert too.
Sounds perfect. I love spending time with you.
Me too. It makes dinner even better.
Here comes our food.
Finally. It looks delicious. Hey Leo, we don't have much money today.
Yeah, we need to buy only what we really need.
Let's start with something cheap. Maybe eggs.
Good idea. Eggs are always useful.
What about bread? We need that too.
Yes, but let's get a small one.
Look, these cookies are on sale.
Do we really need cookies?
Not really, but I want something sweet.
Okay, just one pack then.
Should we buy some fruit?
Apples are cheap. Let's get a few.
Great. Oh, we also need milk.
Wait, milk is a bit expensive here.
Then maybe we skip it this time. What about juice?
No juice, it's too expensive.
Okay, I understand.
Let's check the total price now.
I think we did a good job.
Yeah, we stayed within budget.
I'm proud of us.
Me too. Let's go pay.
What's your biggest dream in life?
I want to start my own business someday.
That sounds exciting. What kind of business?
Maybe a small cafe with a cozy vibe.
I love that idea. I'd come every day.
What about you? What's your dream?
I want to travel around the world.
Wow, that's amazing. Any specific country?
Yes, I really want to visit Japan first.
That's a beautiful place.
I also want to improve my English.
You're already doing great.
Thanks, but I need more practice.
We can practice together every day.
That would help a lot.
I also want to be more confident.
Me too. Sometimes I feel nervous.
But we can improve step by step.
Yes, we just need to believe in ourselves.
And never give up on our dreams.
Exactly. One day, we'll achieve them.
I'm sure we will.
Let's promise to keep going.
Deal. Together, we're stronger.
I'm watering the flowers.
They look beautiful.
Thank you. I take care of them every day.
Do they need water every day?
Not all of them, but most do.
Which one is your favorite?
I love the red roses.
They smell amazing.
Yes, they make me happy.
Can I help you?
Sure, you can hold the hose.
Like this?
Yes, perfect.
Oops. I almost sprayed you.
Be careful.
Sorry. I'm not good at this.
It's okay, you're learning.
How long have you had these flowers?
About 2 years.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yes, they are like my friends.
I can see that. You really care about them.
Of course, they need love too.
You're right. Nature is important.